Hello everyone, I am Shubham and welcome to the Caterpillar Day. If you are preparing for TCS IPA or college or university exams, or you are an individual who wants to learn Java from its very basics to advanced, then this playlist is for you. So save the playlist and let's get started. So before starting Java, you have to understand what is the exam and syllabus of IPA. In IPA, there will be two sections. One is the MCQ section and another one is the coding section. The total time will be given 2 hours. For MCQ portion, you will be given 50 minutes of time, and for coding section, you will be given 70 minutes of time. In MCQ section, there will be KYT, that is the Know Your TCS. There will be base skill, that is the business skill, UI, Unix, Java, SQL, and PL skill. Here, the Java, there will be 15 number of questions, and the score will be given 15. And for coding section, the coding section is divided into two parts. One is the easy part and another one is the advanced part. For easy part, you'll be given a easy Java fundamental question, and for Java advanced part, you will be given an Java object-oriented programming question. The number allocated is 35 for easy question, 15, and for Java advanced question, you'll be given 35 marks. And total time is 2 hours.